Hey world, I'm just sitting here behind my car just debating whether or not Discount Tire will want to replace the whole tire, have to buy a new one, or if they'll be able to patch it, excuse me, patch this tire potentially, as long as that's the only abrasion, right? So I just kind of want to go in tomorrow to my appointment with knowledge as to whether I should anticipate spending the money on a brand new tire, because the car has just under 11,000 miles on it, so the tires are relatively new, or if they'll be able to patch it likely. I think I'm also due for a rotation. Does anybody know what the frequency of rotation is supposed to be? Tire rotation, I read every 6,000 to 8,000 miles somewhere, I thought. Whew, allergies and the smoke in the air is nuts. Anyways, any help is helpful, so please leave your feedback. I appreciate it. Thanks.